Hello everyone, this is video number 20 and in this video we will discuss question and answer of the poem Mist. Okay, so let's start. Exercise A. This you have to do in copy. After first you will write the difficult words I have told you in the last video, and after that you will do question and answer. Read these lines and answer the questions with reference to the context. Oh, never, if I live to 1,000,000, shall I feel such a terrible pang from the seats in the far-off pavilion, a loud wail of ecstasy rang. Who is the speaker in these lines? Obviously, these lines are said by the poet. So your answer will be the poet P.G. Wodehouse is the speaker in these lines, or the poet P.G. Wodehouse is the speaker. Okay. Next, question number 2. What incident made the poet feel such a terrible pang? The pang means pain, I told you. Okay. So why the poet was feeling that pain? Very easy. The answer will be the poet missed the catch which made him feel such a terrible pang. Question number 3. What was the reason that led to the incident? What happened? Why the poet missed the catch? Do you remember why he missed the catch? Okay. The poet was dreaming about a beautiful girl named Clara, which made him miss the catch. So you can write that the poet was dreaming, the poet was distracted, the poet was distracted by the bees humming sound, the poet was distracted by the magic of summer, and at that moment only the poet was dreaming about a beautiful girl named Clara, which made him miss the match. So 3 points you have. You can write that because the poet was distracted because of the magic of summer, comma, bees humming, and at the same time the poet was dreaming about a beautiful girl named Clara, which made him miss the catch. Answer these questions. All was peace. Give 3 reasons why the poet says this. In the first stanza only, the poet was telling that everything was perfect and all was peace. What were the 3 reasons that the poet felt that everything was perfect and all was peace? The poet says this because it was a sunny day. The ladies were very well dressed and happy to watch the match in progress, and the birds were sitting on the treetops and singing a cheerful song. Okay, I will repeat. The poet says this because it was a sunny day, comma, the ladies were very well dressed and happy to watch the match in progress, and the birds were sitting on the treetops and singing a cheerful song. So the poet felt that it was a perfect day and all was peace. Which 3 words in the third stanza identify the sport being played? What are the 3 words that indicate that cricket is being played? The words bowler, batsman, and wicket identify the sports being played. The words bowler, batsman, and wicket identify the sports being played. Who was grieved and why? Who was sad? Obviously the poet was grieved. Obviously the poet was sad. And why he was sad? Because who was grieved? Sorry, in this it will not be poet, it will be batsman. Okay. We are talking about which stanza who was grieved. The word grieved, I think it is mentioned for batsman. Yeah, sorry. So what you will write, see here, the batsman with grief. Okay, so the answer will be, what you will write, who was grieved. You can write the batsman was grieved because he thought it was a catch and he got ready to leave the pitch. The answer will be the batsman was grieved because he thought that it was a catch and he got ready to leave the pitch. Which two lines in the question number 4. What did the poet do when he realized his mistake? What the poet did when he realized his mistake? The poet started pulling his hair violently when he realized his mistake. The poet started pulling his hair violently when he realized his mistake. Question number 5. Which two lines in the 4th stanza show the poet's regret? You have to mark the lines in the 4th stanza that shows poet's regret. So your answer will be, this is the 4th stanza. You will write these lines, okay? Oh, never, if I live to a million, shall I feel such a terrible pang. This line is showing his regret. And this line also you can write. First these two lines, okay? These two lines and then this line. And my heart was seared deep with a raw burn at the thought that I had foozled that catch. So these two lines, first and second line, and at the end of the stanza these two lines. And my heart was seared deep with a raw burn at the thought that I had foozled that catch. First two lines and these two lines shows the poet's regret. What is next? The next is discuss and write. The poet is disappointed when he misses the catch. Which game does the poet decided to play thereon and why? The poet decided to play golf thereon because he missed the catch, and in golf one doesn't need to catch the ball. So you can write the poet decided to play golf thereon. Why he has decided that? Because he missed the catch. And in golf you need not to catch the ball. Now we will do this. This also you have to do in copy. Okay, this you have to do in copy. Match the expressions used in the poem with their meanings. This you have to do in copy. What will be the answer? First column. Unclouded and gay. Unclouded and gay means alert and active. Not a patch on. Not a patch on. The meaning is not as good as. Tore with a wrench. Number 3. The answer will be pulled with force. Determined to scratch. Determined to scratch. Stay away. Okay. Driver and putter. Number 5. The answer will be types of golf clubs. Driver and putter means types of golf clubs. So hope I am clear how you have to do and what you have to do. If not, I repeat. First you will get the title. The title of the poem is Mist. Then you will stick the picture of your favorite sports person. You can write 3 to 4 lines about that sports person, or you can stick the picture of your favorite sports and you can write 3 to 4 lines about your favorite sports. Okay. You can stick the picture. If you are interested in drawing, you can draw also. Next, what you will do? You will write all the difficult words. Then you will write their meanings. After that, we will move to question and answer. I have discussed the question and answer. I have given you the key points. So you will write question and answer in your copy. And at last, we have done match the expression. That also you have to do in your notebook. Hope I am clear. Thank you everyone.